We will continue our journey with learning some more advanced techniques to investigate security incidents. In this module, we will be performing behavioral analysis using the Elastic Stack and Sysmon. Hunting for malicious activity can become a tedious task, and there are a few challenges that defenders are up against. Atomic indicators do not provide the full picture of a malware infection. Oftentimes, defenders are not able to find other artifacts that are part of the same infection chain. Adding to this is the fact that modern attacks will leverage legitimate files and utilities, which from an investigation point of view, without the right detection capabilities, these may be missed. Performing full-fledged forensic investigations and malware analysis can be constrained by time and available capabilities, and oftentimes, these by themselves do not scale. Some of the concepts that we'll be exploring in this module include: we'll go over the tools and techniques to perform behavioral analysis to enhance investigation results. Next, we'll look at the available technologies that enable us to perform behavioral analysis to find evil. We'll be using Sysmon as a very popular utility that logs system-level events of vital importance to the investigation, in conjunction with Elastic, to perform further analysis on the logs. And we'll be using this collected data to detect more complex malware attacks that involve credential dumping. This is where behavioral analysis comes into play. The major goals are to grant visibility at the process level, to understand the malware kill chain based on process hierarchy, to establish how malware operates, more precisely, how it uses other system utilities to propagate, and gather generated artifacts and indicators before being deleted by the cleanup stage. The overarching goal is to gather more actionable intelligence, not just atomic indicators. With the rise of more complex malware, endpoint detection and response platforms have gotten more mature. Detection focuses on the events that take place on a system, not just network activity to and from malicious domains. Understanding how attacks occur means investigating running processes. Persistence mechanisms, as well as configuration changes, can be detected based on registry changes. Command and control communication channels, as well as lateral movement scenarios, can be detected with the aid of monitoring network connections and corresponding processes. The Respond component gives even more capability to defenders, in the form that they can retrieve artifacts over the wire without the need to perform forensics. Some solutions provide also network isolation capabilities, where infected hosts can be contained and isolated to prevent other machines on the network from being infected. Other EDR platforms come with components that enable blocking of certain executables and processes to prevent infection. One more thing to keep in mind is that commercial solutions will come at a cost.